In this video, we'll explain how to complete your California fluoroscopy license renewal paperwork. If you have any questions, email us at support@orbitcme.com. We're happy to help. Here are the materials you're going to mail: your renewal application, the attached bottom portion of your renewal notice sheet, your check payable to the CDPH-RHB, and an envelope. Let's get started with the renewal application. Go to box 1 of your renewal application sheet. Verify that the name, address, and phone number printed in this box are correct and check the Yes box. If the information is not correct or needs to be updated, check the No box and write the correct information at the top of box 2 under Enter Correct Information below. To change your name, you must also include a copy of your government-issued ID with the correct name shown and a copy of the certified superior court order allowing the name change. The address listed here is the address associated with your permit and is where the RHB will send future renewal forms, so be sure to update it if you have moved or are planning to move. This address is also made public, so be sure to use a P.O. box or a business address if you do not want your home address made public. The 3 lines labeled email, social security number, and date of birth in box 2 are completely optional. Feel free to leave them blank. Box 3 is where you'll indicate the type of license you have and enter your medical license number and expiration date. If you need to look up your medical license number, please visit the link shown on your screen or visit the comment section of this video. The fluoroscopy CME requirement is box 4. In this box, you'll attest to having completed the required 10 credits. Make sure to check the box that says, I attest that 4 of the credits provided are in radiation safety for the clinical uses of fluoroscopy. On the lines provided in box 4, write the 10 credits you have earned, listing the name of the activity you completed to earn the credits, the provider of the credits, the location in which you earned them, the date you earned them, the organization that accepts your credits, and the number of credits per activity. If you're using Orbit CME, fill out your box 4 as shown here. To finish this renewal form, sign and date the bottom of the form in box 5 and place the form into your envelope. Okay, we're almost done. There's a separate sheet in your packet called the renewal notice. Detach the bottom of the renewal notice along line 6 and put the bottom portion outlined in box 7 into your envelope. Now you're going to fill out your check payable to the CDPH-RHB as shown in box 8. Check the total amount due on your renewal notice. Put the check into your envelope. Now it's time to mail your renewal papers. Use the mailing address shown in box 10 and include your return address in box 9. Don't forget to add postage. Snail mail is fine, and don't expect to receive confirmation from the RHB that your application was received. You're all done. Expect your new license to arrive in 4 to 6 weeks from when you mailed the renewal. If you like the tutorial, be sure to check out Orbit Fluoroscopy. It's the simplest way to earn your fluoroscopy CME credits. It's designed by physicians in California and allows you to earn all of your required fluoroscopy CME credits through reading related articles, which is something you normally do anyway. Check out the link on your screen or in the description of this video to learn how to start using Orbit Fluoroscopy today and make your life simpler.